I know we're making a burger, but the team has got some mystery ingredients for us. So I think we can call this diced. It's about to get dicey.
Hey y'all, my name is Jenna Fail.
And I'm Chef Robbie Jester, winner of Guys Grocery Games, Beat Bobby Flay, and Pressure Cooker on Netflix.
Today we're doing something we have not done before in the Fail Proof Kitchen, and I'm a little scared.
Yep.
We have a box.
So
let's see what's in the box.
We have a box. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Oh, what's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
I'm actually nervous. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
Satar. It's Indian or African.
I've never had
Spice.
these.
Sugar-free syrup. So we're going macro friendly.
Oh, okay. So right out the gate, I'm thinking a jam, a reduction, a sauce.
Sauce, we can do that. We can go jam-a-lamma ding dong.
Okay, so we have Takis. Is that right? I know
Yep.
these are really
Dragon
popular.
Sweet chili.
So I have an idea for these.
Similar to a rolled corn chip, if you will, rolled Dorito.
I'll let you talk about this.
Yeah,
'cause I've
Zatar.
never-
So this is Zatar, which is a Middle Eastern spice blend. You see similar spicing though in Africa and India and stuff like that. So it's got some of the sweeter spices in it. It's got sumac, but it definitely is like floral, herbaceous.
Yeah.
But it kind of like tastes like any sort of like Mediterranean food that you've had spiced like that, or like even like Moroccan food.
Do you use it?
So I have used it before.
Kind of. Oh, it's like dull at first, and then there comes a flavor.
Like the sumac's a little bit on the sour side.
Yeah, it is. Okay, interesting. I think that would make
Okay.
a good seasoning.
So we need a game plan here.
Okay.
Let me taste one of these.
I'm thinking a crust on the burger with that regardless. I feel like if you add it to the meat, would it dry it out?
Little
Oh,
heat.
wait, that's hot. Yeah, it's kind of hot. Ooh, it's kind of getting hotter. It's getting really hot. Ooh, I'm done. I'm about to get the hiccups and ruin everything. Whoa.
Okay.
What do you think? I'm surprised by that.
Well,
But now I see flames on the bag.
I think we're gonna go spicy. Makes sense. We need to go sweet.
Yep,
We need to make a great burger.
let's do it.
I think we don't need some of that shit over there, but let's
Yeah.
do it. So before we make our burger, I think it's smart for us to start with. So you wanna throw in like half of those blueberries in here. Go in with a little bit of our syrup. So they're gonna bust themselves up. So go in with a little bit.
Say
That's
what?
good. Woo. Let's do some mustard in here too.
Wow, okay, I'm so interested in this.
Some salt. So we need some things to counteract the sweetness of this. So we're almost making what they would call in like French cuisine as like a gastrique, which is like sweet and sour. Yeah, so we're gonna go in with some apple cider vinegar.
About how much mustard are you thinking?
About a heaping that spoon, yep. Do that again.
Is this a compote?
Not quite. Along the same vein though, I would consider it more chutney-ish in
Okay.
the you know, the kind of Indian sense of chutney.
That burner is impressive.
Sour, sweet, almost honey mustard-ish, but on the mustard side of honey mustard.
Surprising, I like that.
We're gonna put that off to the side. Now I think we wanna concentrate on making a great burger. So let's take that ground meat. So you're gonna use that as a bowl.
Wait, oh, I see. What the heck am I thinking?
So I think let's do the Zatar seasoning there.
All right, how much of this you thinking?
Enough.
I like that.
Season it up.
What do you think for the Takis?
I'm a little like torn. So I don't know if I want to just put them on the burger as they are. We didn't really set any rules. I don't know if I have to manipulate the Takis at all.
I think they have to be manipulated. For sure. I was thinking if we crushed them up and then we made the patty and then just pressed it into the patty.
Okay, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. We do need to add an egg to it. Because if we're gonna add like a bread item or something like that, the egg's gonna add extra moisture.
Okay.
Bring it all together. It's almost gonna have the texture like a meatloaf burger.
Gotcha.
I'm trying to think of the best way for us to crush this. We don't have any more Ziploc bags. I got it. I'm just gonna He-Man this shit.
Oh, we're going all in. I like that. You're doing good. They're pretty crushed. Struggle busting big time.
I'm like doing this for time, like we're being timed to make it.
Oh, we're not being timed. What are we thinking? We're like rushing like we're being timed.
That'll make it more impressive for the proofies at home.
That's true.
That are watching it. Or make proofies happen. All right, so let's patty that up.
About that much?
Yeah. So we got this on high heat.
Okay.
A little bit of our oil. We do need to put that patty right down here. Season, if you season the board here, it's a little competition trick. You just pick it up and move it.
We need 2 patties, 1 patty.
2.
Are we?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Get it.
Executive decision. All right, I got a little extra meat left over, but we're gonna do 2, 1 for you, 1 for crew.
That's
we gotta
right.
have a taste tester.
That's right. So we're searing our burgers hard in the pan. If you watched the previous episode with burgers in it, you know that we want to go hard in the pan, hard in the paint. We want to make sure we get good color on our burger. So we just flipped it. Let me give it a little bit more seasoning, and let's grab some cheese. I honestly think that the pepper jack.
That's what I was thinking too.
Yeah, a little spicy sweet. Yes. We're gonna move them to the oven. So we get the cheese melt, we get the burger to cook to a nice medium. But we're gonna use all of this. So we're gonna toast our burger buns. Give me another one. You go right in there. Get all that good juice.
Nice.
Yes. I don't know why I went with evil genius voice. Let's grab our blueberry. I think we want to do a little bit of mustard on the bottom of the bun. There you go. I think a lettuce makes sense here. So we're gonna put the dressing or the mustard on the bottom bun, then the lettuce. The lettuce is gonna protect our bun from the burger from getting soggy. But we put the mustard on the bottom there because when you bite into it, those sauces and things are gonna hit your tongue first. You like bite through that to the burger.
Makes sense.
Yeah, look at those, look at those, look at those. Why don't you grab a spoon for us? You can spoon that blueberry on top.
What did you call this again?
I forget now.
You had a great name for
Blueberry
it.
gastrique. Blueberry mustard gastrique.
Very fancy there.
Yes, that's good. That's good. Oh my goodness.
Did we use everything we were given?
Yeah.
Takis, seasoning.
Takis, blueberries, syrup, za'atar. I think we got it. There we have our mystery basket burger. Just look at that. I think
we did good.
I think we win diced.
Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and
ring that bell for post notifications so you know when the next episodes come up, and leave some comments. Let us know what you thought.
see y'all next time.
See ya.